Once the asset category has been created, let's proceed to add an asset to that particular category. There are 3 methods to add an asset: manually, using a CSV file, or add assets through discovery. This only applies to IT assets. Any asset with an IP address can be discovered using agent-based discovery. To add an asset manually, click on the Add Item button located at the top right corner of the page and select a single asset option. On the Add Asset Info page, fill out all the details in the respective callout boxes, beginning with the product image for the asset. Click to drag and drop the asset image or directly select the file to upload. After the product image is uploaded, click on the Asset Name input field and enter the name, such as Samsung S21. To select a category, use the drop-down menu to map the asset to either a parent or a child category. For this example, let's choose Android as the subcategory. Moving on to Managed By, here this can be designated as the owner or the person managing the asset, potentially a technician, and select the appropriate technician from the drop-down list that appears. The Used By field indicates the person using the asset, also known as the requester. Multiple selections can be made from the below drop-down list. If a group of people are managing the asset, more than one technicians can also be added from the list. For assigning an asset tag to the specific type of asset, select it from the drop-down button. Now, specify the location where the asset is situated. After filling in the data, proceed to the next step to view the asset properties. This section contains categories such as common properties, cost properties, procurement properties, assignment properties, and CPU properties, which were selected during the creation of the category. Each property has input fields where data can be entered. To view only mandatory fields, click on the Show Only Mandatory toggle button. Here, only the mandatory fields, which would be selected during the creation of the category, will appear. Once the mandatory data is added, submit the form to finalize the creation of the asset. After submission, the respective asset with a unique ID will be generated, facilitating its identification.